Embrace Kids, a program of Speak Up for Kids of Palm Beach County, each year supports normalcy for more than 1,600 children involved in foster and dependency cases countywide. But what does normalcy look like? Imagine you wake up and go to school on what seems like an ordinary day and everything is as it's supposed to be. You are in class when you hear your name over the loudspeaker telling you to report to the office with your belongings. There's a strange lady and 2 police officers waiting for you. They ask you a ton of questions about your family, and then you walk to the stranger lady's car where she drives you to your house with the police following you. Once you get there, you're handed a trash bag and given 5 minutes to gather a few belongings. You don't understand any of it, but you do as you're told. Your mom is nowhere to be found, and when you gather the courage to ask what is happening, you are told that everything will be explained later. You are placed in the back of the strange lady's car again and drive for what seems like forever until you stop in front of a strange house. The lady lets you out of the car and walks you, trash bag in hand, to the front door where you're introduced to 2 more strangers and told that this would be your new home for a while. While the lovely couple shows you to your new room and introduces you to the other kids in the house, you immediately notice they each have their own trash bags. So although everything is strange and unknown, you find some comfort in the sameness of your trash bags. A few months go by and new kids come and go. Their stories are different, but the trash bags remain the same. One day you arrive home from school and see a familiar car. You walk into the house and the stranger lady, who you now know is your caseworker, is waiting for you. You get excited thinking you're going home, but your happiness is short-lived. Your caseworker says you're being moved, but not to your home. She hands you a new trash bag and gives you 5 minutes to gather a few belongings before you are ushered to her car to take another ride to another new neighborhood, introduced to a strange new family with new children, but somehow you are comforted when you see their trash bags. We can all agree that no child deserves an existence riddled with trash bag trauma. Embrace Kids exists to remove barriers that hinder a child's ability to thrive. Sometimes that means providing suitcases in place of trash bags. Other times it means paying for coming-of-age activities like prom or homecoming, or participation in physically and socially beneficial activities such as sports or music. For us, 100% advocacy means we support, speak up for, and embrace kids. Visit www.speakupforkidspbc.org to see how you can help.